How can you see what is happening behind the chart? How can you find where large options trades are coming in? And how can you use that information to better understand what may be moving the market? In this short video, we'll show you how options flow helps traders see more than just candles on a chart. Most traders only watch price. They look at candlesticks, indicators, and volume, then try to guess why a stock is moving. But price is only one part of the story. Behind many big moves, there is often options activity building in the background. Large call buying, large put buying, unusual options trades, short-term contracts, and big premium orders that may show where traders are positioning. Options flow helps bring that activity into one simple dashboard. With live options order flow across US options exchanges, you can watch trades come into the market in real time. You can see the stock ticker, whether the trade is a call or a put, the strike price, the expiration date, the trade size, volume, open interest, trade type, sentiment, and more. This helps you understand where attention is building across the market. Instead of trying to scan every stock by yourself, Options Flow helps bring the most important activity to you. You can use the main Options Flow feed to watch the market more broadly, or you can use the unusual activity feed to focus on trades that may stand out more. The Flow Scanner makes it easy to filter through the noise. You can search for stocks you are watching. You can look for larger trades. You can find bullish activity, bearish activity, unusual options activity, short-dated contracts, aggressive trades, volume surges, and repeat activity. This helps you focus on trades that may matter most, without getting overwhelmed by every single order coming in. When you find a trade you want to understand, you can click into it for a deeper view. You can see more details about the contract, how the option is moving, how it has performed since the trade came in, and what other activity is happening around the same contract. You can also track live profit and loss. This lets you see how a trade performs after it appears in the flow. You can review past trades, track live movement, and better understand what worked, what did not work, and why. Options Flow also includes Gamma Exposure tools, also known as GEX. These tools help traders find important price levels where a stock may see support, resistance, volatility, or bigger moves. In simple terms, GEX helps show areas where the market may react. This can also be useful for future traders. If you trade futures, especially around major indexes, Options Flow can help you watch broader market positioning, key levels, and options activity that may influence price movements during the trading day. That is the power of Options Flow. Options Flow was built to make advanced market data easier to understand. You do not need to be an expert to start using it. The platform is designed to be beginner-friendly with educational resources to help you learn how Options Flow, unusual activity, and GEX levels work. Whether you trade stocks, options, or futures, Options Flow helps you see what the chart alone does not show. Start using Options Flow today.